When you check your watch, it's 11:11. When you see a car, the number plate has 555. Why are these repeat numbers following you? And what's the message meant for you? Today's reading is just about that. The repetitive angel numbers and what is the communication of universe towards you. If you've been seeing repeat numbers like 11, 77, various places, newspaper, phone numbers, number plates of cars, vehicles, suddenly, what is this? Numbers are following me. And you might be scared sometimes because you don't know what's the message really coming in for you here, right? So cards have been falling, so I'm picking on the cards. What if these numbers, when I'm seeing, could be just cosmic messages directly guiding you to manifest your desires? So breathe in, breathe out with good intentions, and let's unblock. What is the secret your universe is communicating to you so that your wishes will now be a reality with these numbers? Now, the number that first fell is 2323. It simply means endless cycle, charisma, communication, society, movement, journey, repetitive circumstances, and patterns. So you've been seeing that in your life, suddenly, everyone is just talking about the same thing. You go to your office, your colleagues are talking about karma, karmic patterns. You come back home, you know your father, mother, your sibling, your friends, family, relationship, everyone are stuck in one karmic loop. And you know this is not crazy. This is not some movie. This is reality. And karmic patterns do exist, and finally, you are in belief of all of this. There's some truth, your resistance to accept over and over again until you're tired and restrained beyond depression. It takes a decision to live life for yourself. Life is all about passion. Then you make a change and the world around you follows. So acceptance is more here, the message. When you see repeat numbers like 3322, for you, the specific message is to understand that this is all karmic cycle and pattern you're stuck in. And the moment you accept, it'll be easier to process the hurt which is being caused by people around you. So if you're in denial and if you won't accept what's happening, then you will move from partner to partner, people to people, learning the same lessons and unable to verify where is this all coming from. It is your own soul growth or soul should evolve. And hence, you're repetitively seeing such cycles or numbers where universe is communicating to you. Next, 0909. So few of you might also be seeing zeros and nines. That is what I'll take it here. Or 0909. New beginnings, great chance, opportunity, courage, accomplishment, endings, conclusions, and big love. Look out for an opportunity that might be a game changer. This could simply be a message. If you keep seeing 000, 99999 or 3366, multiples of that, you are completing something major. That is what is the message universe is giving you. It feels good to level up, huh? Close the old chapter. A new adventure will unravel. So if you are feeling saturated at your workplace, desk, same thing. Oh God, I'm so bored doing the same thing again and again. I'm saturated. It's been 10 years, 5 years, 8 years, 6 years. When will that change come? You take that level up. Do a course maybe for the career change. Do some research, meet people, get your resume, the very nicely modified resume where you add up some fresh and nice things about yourself. So do the change first. So you might also have a wardrobe, I'm seeing. Same, dull, pale, no shine, nothing. Still, adding the same colors and changing how you look at the wardrobe or clutter-free, arranging it, organizing it, bringing in new clothes of your favorite color. There's nothing wrong in being dull, non-flashy, etc. But if you want to rethink on how you want to dress up or how you want to style yourself,
do that. Give yourself that haircut, give yourself that major transformation or change. Then you're going to see something new is also welcomed in your life. Universe will get the message that you're ready for the change. Similarly, this was just a metaphor with respect to your career, with respect to your life. If you want something new to come into your life, then you must show universe that you're ready for this new adventure. So level up. If it's the job that you're applying, are you applying to the same companies without any reference? Then go ahead and do the reference. Think differently this time. What can you do? Like 6 months, if you're doing the same thing and nothing's working, now it's time to change. That is the universe communication towards you. Next, 0808. Swift action. Wealth, empathy, promises, commitment, affection, inner strength, auspicious outcomes. Sorry, I also got a message which I did not communicate because it's important to communicate the energies. I saw you are attracting a lot of love in your life. Okay, there is a great chance you will attract that Hallmark movie that you are seeing, serendipity movie you are seeing. Such big gestures with your love is going to come. Right? So if you like something and you communicate it with your loved one, that loved one is going to go any extent to get that back to you. That is something really fun. So love is what you will attract, is what I see here. Now, swift action, wealth, empathy, promises, commitment, affection, inner strength, auspicious outcomes. So there is a housewarming, there is some house you will also buy. So if you are repetitively seeing 8s, that means your karma with land is there. So you will buy a land, you will buy a house. You will enter a time of expansion. Wow. It could be family growing, it could be marriage, it could be commitment. So begin taking steps toward achieving your ultimate objective immediately. Finances miraculously improve. So this 888, if you're seeing Shanidev, is going to give you so much wealth. Rahu, Shanidev, Hanumanji, all of their blessings and guidance are on you. And it is going to improve to an extent that you are almost in disbelief. Oh, and somebody has their mind set on you. I told you I had to communicate that energy and I forgot. When I communicated, another card has come where someone has set their mind on you. So big love is coming towards you. Right? Okay. Next. 333. I'm seeing this more here. Social skills, hope, optimism, liberation, success, prosperity, excitement, and enthusiasm could be the message universe is communicating towards you. The problems you have today will eventually disappear. So this is not a permanent situation. Please know whether it's happiness or negative situation, it's not permanent, it's all temporary. So enjoy the happiness while you can. And then when negative things happen in your life, please know it is going to go away too. Your guardian angels encourage you to maintain a positive outlook on life since your luck may be about to change. It is time to put to use your captivating energy and inspirational personality. Don't let your ego get the best of you. So we all have ego at various levels, and there's no person I have met who does not have ego at all. Right? I also have ego. So the thing is, we all let the ego get best of us and then lose out on opportunities and love. I think it's a lifelong journey and process to work on certain skills that we have, which is good, like social skills, and then work on such negative pattern or demons within us as well. And social skills, I'm also seeing you are traveling, you are meeting group, trekking. You have a group of people who trek, and you will meet people, bunch of people who are nice, soul tribe. They are really good. They'll teach you about art. I see a lot of lamps like genie, old antique shops. You're visiting that as well, and you're going to get attracted to such shops and charms, etc. So this is also what I'm seeing for you. Let's see more on what is in store with respect to angel numbers. Wow. Okay. Wow, that's nice. Let's see. 1717. Drama alert, independence, soul mission, alone time, learning, healing, and aspirations. Take a few deep breaths and focus inward. You need time to think things over and consider your options. At this time, you must rely solely on yourself. That's the message here. You might not believe it, but you're heading in the right direction. So if you wanted confirmation from the universe, the double one that you're seeing and the number sevens you're seeing is only because universe wants you to know that you are going on the right path. What appears to be a lull in activity is just a natural part of the process. So there is somebody who's coming in and causing a lot of drama in your life, court cases and fights, police action taken towards you, or you are taking action towards someone who's been abusive. All of this is happening in your life, and that's one alert which is coming up. It could also be small friendship related chaos that will be created. Yes. Last card. Ooh, my. Wish come true. Moderation, patience, flowing, self-realization, manifestation, gateway, taking action. You're in here for a good luck here. You're in for a lucky break. It may come as happy news, experience, new opportunities, or an exciting acquaintance. You will find yourself in the right place at the right time. It is not a coincidence, but a gift from fate in itself. So if you've been seeing 1111, you know why you've been seeing this. Hari Om Tat Sat.